I got to take a paella cooking class at my resort in Mexico, so let's learn how to make paella the authentic way. You're going to start with a big ass wok and a whole bunch of seafood. Heat up some oil, add a crap ton of garlic. Saute that garlic until it gets nice and brown. Then add some chopped onions to your pan, saute those as well. You're going to start with some chorizo, saute that, and then next you're going to want to add some sliced pork. I think this was pork ribs. Mix it together, make sure your pork is nice and cooked. And then you're going to add some chunks of chicken. Mix all that together. And then next you're going to add your calamari. If you don't like any of these ingredients, don't add them. This is some pre-cooked rice we're going to add to the pan. And then you're going to add some saffron. Make sure you scrape that container out because this mess is expensive. Saute all of those ingredients together and then add some white wine. And then some chicken or vegetable broth. Let that simmer and keep cooking. And then next you're going to add some salt and pepper. These are some pieces of whitefish going in. These are some scallops. And then after the scallops you're going to add some mussels. You can place them neatly in the pan. There's no need to mix them together. And then he's going to add some clams to the pan. Also, just place them wherever, make it look good. And then we have chunks of blue crab. I've never seen this done before, but it looks really cool. And then some pieces of shrimp. Gotta love some shrimp. This is sliced red and yellow bell pepper. Sprinkle that over the top. You're going to want to cover this with aluminum foil and let it cook for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, y'all, it was so good. I cannot believe I learned how to make paella in Mexico. I definitely recommend this resort and recommend this recipe. Thanks for watching.